Most people get this wrong when trying to download movies and shows from Amazon Prime Video. They assume every title can be downloaded, then get confused when the download button is missing. Here's the truth no one tells you. Downloading content from Prime Video is easy, but there are a few important limitations you need to know first. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download Amazon Prime Video content in 2026, how to find your downloaded videos, and the most common mistakes that prevent downloads from working. Let's get straight to it. First, make sure you have the Amazon Prime Video app installed on your phone or tablet. Downloads are generally available through the official app on supported devices. Sign in using your Amazon account and make sure your Prime membership or content access is active. Next, open the movie or TV show you want to watch offline. If downloads are available for that title, you'll see a download button on the content page. Tap the download button and choose your preferred video quality if the option appears. Higher quality provides better video, but uses more storage space. Lower quality saves space and downloads faster. But here's the problem. Not every movie or TV show includes download rights. Licensing agreements can vary by title and region. If you don't see a download button, the content may not support offline viewing. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many users think the download is complete as soon as they tap the button. In reality, it's best to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network until the download finishes. Interrupted connections can cause failed or incomplete downloads. Once the download is complete, go to the download section inside the Prime Video app. This is where all your offline content will be stored and ready to watch without an internet connection. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid download errors. Before downloading multiple movies or episodes, check your device's available storage. This is where most people fail. They start several downloads without enough free space, and the app either stops downloading or displays an error message. If downloads aren't working, try updating the Prime Video app, restarting your device, and verifying that you have sufficient storage available. These simple fixes solve many common download issues. Another important thing to remember is that downloaded content may have viewing limits or expiration periods depending on licensing rules. If a title expires, you may need to reconnect to the internet and refresh your access. Let's quickly recap. Install the Prime Video app, sign in, choose a downloadable title, tap download, wait for the process to finish, and access your content through the download section for offline viewing. If this guide helped you download Amazon Prime Video content successfully, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite show to watch offline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.